You want to analyze the charts in split screens, but you don't have TradingView Premium? No worries, I got to. Here is the trick which I am telling in this video. Using that trick, you can analyze your charts in split screens with. Watch the video completely.
So the first thing you have to do is just have to copy paste this URL, and this says vivaldi.com/download, and you will land on this page. Here you have to select your operating system and download Vivaldi for your operating system, and then it's just a single step to install. So after installing it, just open the browser, Vivaldi browser, and here let's go to tradingview.com. Pick any chart you want to analyze for your day and duplicate. Let's say you want to have one 15-minute time frame and another one 1 hour and another one on 1 day time frame. So you have to select. You have to tap on this first tab, and after tapping it, select all three tabs, and after that, right click and select tile 3 tabs. Yeah. Then after that, you will get this beautiful view of split screen. You can enjoy this beautiful view, guys. And later that, you can also customize from here how you can weave like tiling and solve like horizontal, vertically customization. You can resize and you can play with these options down here. If you want to enjoy this view completely and you want to get immersed in this, just click on F11 and you will be get into full screen, which keeps you away from the distractions from other tabs. Just focused on charts. That's it, guys. And if F11 does not work for you, try pressing function button and F11 button at the same time. That should definitely work for you guys. And to get out of the full screen, it's the same F11, otherwise function key plus F11. That's it. Thank you, guys.
For more trading related videos, do follow, like, share and comment.